everyone. Welcome to Everything Allure. This channel is about beauty, fashion, outings, and more. Today, we are going to be making
a sugar scrub for your lips. Yes. I'm going to show y'all today how to make something out of nothing. I don't know about y'all, but this weather has got my lips chapped lately. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to show y'all how to make some lip sugar scrub just from stuff around your house. So get ready. Let's do it. So I got a mixing bowl. You can use any kind of oil that you like, anything that agrees with you. Just make sure it's for your skin as well. Today I'm going to be using some vitamin E oil.
Or you can use some of this.
Yeah, we're going to use some coconut oil as well. I like to use more than one in mine. And then we just going to put it in these cute little jars. And then after that, you got your spoolie, the little eyelash spoolie, but you can use this for your lips too. So I'm just gonna get it started with I'm gonna take some sugar.
Great value.
Some great value sugar right around the house. You know, we ain't gonna try to be bougie with this. So we just gonna pour some sugar in there. So just depending on how big your jar is, you don't have to use a whole lot. I used let me see if I can get it. I used about that much. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna get a little scooper. Not for this one. I'm just gonna dump this straight in. Get it nice in there. See if I can scoop this out of here. Look, and again, this is just like you got some stuff around the house. You're trying to make something, make your lips feel good. Because you don't want them to be crusty. You don't want to walk around with no crusty lips. Let's not do that. Okay, so I just added a little bit more sugar. As you can see, I like mine to be a little bit more thick. All you're doing is picking up some, and all you're going to do is literally scrub your lips. Wipe this off, or, you know, if you want to add it into your facial routine, like after you're done, you can just wash your face, wipe your lips off, and throw on a lip chap, moisturizer, whatever you want to call it. It's going to help get that dead skin off your lips. And something simple that you can do.
It's sweet.
You can just use these right out your cabinet. It ain't nothing too crazy, nothing too complicated.
Thank you all for watching this simple tutorial on lip scrub. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.